Watch this video until the end to learn why Cardano stands out among other cryptocurrencies and is considered by experts to be a great long-term investment, and why you should buy Cardano now and hold it for the next 10 years. Cardano, in particular, has generated a lot of hate in the community, but I feel this hate is too widespread, and we'll prove them wrong in this video. And to help shed some light and kind of stop the flood of Cardano, I want to show you some bullish news and the kind of momentum that I see in Cardano. Even though it's a silly coin, there's still a lot of money at stake. Therefore, if Cardano does well, it makes sense for other altcoins to do well, and it's healthy for the broader community to stop bashing Cardano. We all know that Charles Hoskinson is making super bullish posts on streams and stuff. Even though he's not a full-time YouTuber, he consistently posts market news regardless of whether it's up or down. In crypto, a lot of CEOs hide away when the coins are in the trash, especially those in the crypto industry. Meanwhile, Charles Hoskinson is always trying to improve things, and he's doing well long term. While most of these crypto coins hope to get pumps rather than dumps, Charlie doesn't seem to give a damn. Charlie just wants to make the best possible product. There's no doubt that he was a great founder. You know, he co-founded Ethereum at the beginning. While he has parted ways with that, you still can't deny that he was an excellent CEO, even though he was controversial at times. Further, his kind personality makes people feel at ease when things get rocky. Aside from this, here's what I want to talk about, making a point about how undervalued this thing is. Then I think this could be how the coin will do so well at the end of the year in 2022, when people start seeing what this could potentially do for it. It is Cardano's vision for decentralized Africa that we've heard that there are more and more crypto coins seeking to do this, but it was almost ADA that got the ball rolling. Especially when they're considering how we can help people in these kinds of third world countries get decentralization, they grabbed the market by storm. Moreover, they've been working with African countries since 2017. Also, Charles Hoskinson reflected on progress and his vision for economic identity and empowerment to sustainability and financial assistance. And this is an institution stretched across the African continent. Therefore, it's trying to create a digital identity for millions of people. They are decentralized, and the solution allows millions of people to access their data, allowing seamless interactions between individuals and organizations. That makes it morally right. I think the perfect example would be one that isn't even allowed to have a PayPal account. Of course, once the world begins volume and accepts coins, one can go and use this. We are very early in our development, but a person like Charles and ADA themselves are trying to advance this. Considering that those who have lived in first world countries don't think about this a lot, imagine how amazing it must be to not even have a PayPal account and receive money abroad. Or if you can do that, it takes around 3 to 5 days, and you have to pay outrageous fees. Because of these reasons, I think ADA is so undervalued right now, even though the memes are funny. So it is the core of power, trust, and economy worldwide, and was developed to spread Cardano. Due to this, you'll need a lot more Cardano, which makes you want to buy some of this coin for a meager price. DCA, or dollar cost averaging, may be a great idea because we're so far off base regarding where we should be priced. It's so cheap, and even though it's a funny coin, you can't complain about 80 cents. In the meantime, several weeks ago, people said that the $1 stablecoin was no longer a stablecoin. For me, this is the best deal ever. Therefore, I think it's a great DCA. If the price rises from the current level, the bulls win to propose that the pair be above the 20-day EMA. For some people, this is very confusing, but basically what this is saying is that it's looking bullish short term, which is excellent for the long term. Still, they have to break the $1 mark first. As long as they can't do that, you're just at a floor. So you need to keep that in mind with Cardano since it has shot up so much that there isn't any kind of resistant point for the technical analysis. Generally, if you're a fundamentalist, you don't overthink it, but it's just something to keep in mind. Before we move on, access to long-term wealth creation opportunities should be open to everyone. Mudrex exists to bring these opportunities for everyone to invest in crypto markets in the easiest way possible. Mudrex helps you invest in custom crypto baskets, curated portfolios, and auto trading bots, all designed by professional traders and experts for investors to create long-term wealth. This way, you don't invest in just a coin, but Mudrex allows you to invest in ideas that you believe in. Upon that, investing in multiple tokens at the same time diversifies your portfolio, which leads to lower risk. There's going to be a link in the description for a chance to win $100. Furthermore, on the Mudrex website, you can find the Mudrex coin sets. Guys, these coin sets are a fairly unique product. Most other firms are still just enabling algo-based trading. Mudrex coin sets are a basket of crypto tokens that are based on a theme or idea. Coin sets allow you to easily diversify and invest in ideas that you believe in to grow your wealth in the long run. There are currently 25 different types of coin sets, all made by experts and will be rebalanced monthly based on market conditions. Note that the minimum investment amount for coin sets is just $10. Also currently, coin sets are free to use because no investment fees will be charged. Moreover, curated tokens safeguard you as a user against rug pulls and scams. A new feature on Mudrex is a fixed income product, which is on the waitlist where users can get up to 14% return on all crypto in their Mudrex wallet. Upon that, it's really easy to use, guys. You can complete your KYC and buy crypto using your bank account. And you know what's better? It's a great platform for you to make your first investment. If you are new to crypto, you can just answer a few questions to find the best investment strategy portfolio for you. If you need any help, Mudrex support team is super helpful and available 24/7. I mean, this all sounds cool, right? But do you know what's even better? Invest right now in any coin set on Mudrex, and 10 lucky winners stand a chance to win a special Mudrex coin set worth up to $100 each. I mean, that's free money. So go to the link in the description and sign up now, and don't miss out on this chance. So why is Cardano a tremendous long-term investment? The cumulative value of all cryptocurrencies peaked at nearly $3 trillion in November. The crypto market didn't exist 15 years ago, so we can find this even more impressive given how quickly they achieved this valuation. It has, of course, not all been smooth sailing. Further, in the past few months, crypto assets have become notorious for their volatility. The market is down 43% from its peak, and in the case of the crypto market, it has happened many times before. Still, it has always ended the same way, with crypto prices rebounding and the market climbing again. Given the situation, it might be a good time for investors to invest. Cardano appears to be a lucrative investment over the long term. Meanwhile, it is known to us that of left the Ethereum project in 2015, Charles Hoskinson founded the Cardano project. The developer team has taken a methodical and slow approach to push the platform forward, submitting new features for review by academics. With this, Cardano is distinct from other blockchains by taking this approach. Further, Ouroboros, the first consensus mechanism based on peer-reviewed research, is optimized for blockchains. The Ouroboros protocol is a proof-of-stake or POS protocol in which new blocks are added in random selection of validators. This differs drastically from proof-of-work or POW. In this system, miners compete against one another based on their computer's performance to add blocks to the chain. Therefore, Cardano is more energy efficient than Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are proof-of-work cryptocurrencies. Moreover, the academic excellence of Cardano's developer team has infiltrated other aspects of blockchain technology. The project itself, for instance, has been divided into 5 stages, each focusing on a different aspect. This includes the foundation, decentralization, smart contracts, scalability, and governance. In September, Cardano launched smart contract functionality, a development that could supercharge the platform's growth in the months to come as developers can now build decentralized applications or dApps and decentralized finance or DeFi products. In addition to this, Ouroboros Hydra, which enables multiple sidechains, will be upgraded to the consensus protocol in the next phase of development. And think of sidechains as additional blockchains connected to the initial chain. Moreover, sidechains are responsible for better network load distribution, which helps the system's performance. Early tests have discovered sidechains have speeded up to 1,000 transactions per second, or TPS, meaning the network will be able to handle 1 million transactions per second with 1,000 sidechains. Also, Cardano's scalability should make it more appealing to developers and DeFi investors. In addition, since the products aren't free, users need to pay transaction fees with the ADA coin, the blockchain's native cryptocurrency, which will make the demand for the ADA coin to increase over time, making the cryptocurrency in the long run more valuable. Meanwhile, Cardano's price is erasing all liquidity from current sell-off. Afterwards, 0.54 and 0.44 are the next targets. Aside from this, it is also possible that Cardano will continue to fall, and the price of Cardano has been suffering quite a drop. And the price of the index is on a sharp drop as well, and it seems like the market makers are out to get leveraged traders out of the market. Based on the recent downtrend, the bears seem to be having one more drop in the bag before the market turns around. Moreover, the price of Cardano has fallen to a level it hasn't seen since February 2021. In the 3-day chart in the second week of May, the bears have printed an incredibly large candle that will require extremely bullish power to reverse. Against a candle with this magnitude, it is necessary to show a bullish engulfing candle with considerable volume to counter its bearish impact. Additionally, a Fibonacci projection indicator that surrounded the initial drop in April into the first pullback also offers a forecast for 200% and 261.8% levels at 54 cents and 44 cents prices, which could be the final capitulation low. Also, an invalidation of bearish thesis may be defined as a breach at 91 cents. In the event the bulls successfully push the price back above this level, the downtrend impulse will be undone. Afterward, the bulls could reroute to 120, making Cardano's price 100% higher than it is currently. So, what are your thoughts on this? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below, and make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.